good stuff.
Color deal. Ain't missing, it's just color mismatch. That's somebody made it on purpose, which I talked about.
We'll have a conversation piece from here on out. What's that?
That, this is West Maid.
That's something else about. Oh, it's the same way. Now you, yeah.
Hey there, welcome back to Russell and Kim's Family Adventures. We want to show you what we've been doing here. I think I may have gotten a little bit of a video beforehand. I'll have to show you that, and then I'll show you what we got going on now. And they're just dropping sets out of the rings off. It's just pretty big diamonds they got. So anyway, I'll show you what we got going on. This is what we did the other day.
It is a color mismatch. It is this color mismatch already. Did you mess it up? Oh, so it is so.
It is.
It is, so when you can't quit,
Broke.
it won't clear.
Aw. Save it for this end down here. For a cutoff.
You have to use that one.
Right there.
Okay.
We're not built for taking
Oops.
on.
That was a chip.
This one's good.
Yeah.
Hey, about $4.
Yeah, it's all for all. Just counting, right? Hey, yeah.
It's already knocked that edge off, so it went on in.
Thank you, a little brown marker. Over
Yeah, we'll do something.
Gray or something.
Sharpie or something.
Yeah.
Whoops. Okay, as you can see, we've got it D-U-N'd done. We got it. We still got to put trim around. Got to put our transitions and all that. You notice this is an angled wall right here. Yeah, it's a little tricky, but it wasn't that bad. We figured it out pretty quick. As you can see, I'm standing square here, right there with the end of the hardwood. So it's not that bad. Pretty easy once you kind of figure out what you're going to do. So we just roll with it. What do we have? 4 pieces left over, or 3? 3 or 4 pieces left. So I think we did all right. What do you think, Mama Outfit? Or Mama Kim?
It's good. I'm glad it's done.
She's tickled. So we've been working with it. Had brother-in-law in here helping, and we got this thing knocked out this evening. It is 8:20 at night, so we're just about ready to. We're going to take this gas stove off the wall over here, and we're going to move this couch. It's right over here. We got everything piled on it because, you know, when you got to clear a room out, you got to make room for something else. We had to clear a bookshelf out. This light come off a race car trailer. It hangs off the back of it, but we brought it in here for extra light. But that's one of our bookshelves. Had it over there. I haven't finished that wall out yet, as you can tell, but I've still got some sheetrock here to do that with. But at least we got our floor down. I can always come back and tape that and put plastic down, you know what I mean, where we can do our sheetrock work. So we'll get all that, and we're probably going to come in here and paint these walls. Is that what you want to do, Ma? Just paint these walls, or put something over them? I know that's a lot of people saying, no, don't do that, but it's time for a change, is all I'm going to say. You can get this light behind me look like Darth Vader swinging his lightsaber around on me.
Have you come to destroy me, Obi-Wan?
I will do what I must.
Then you will die.
But anyway, this is what we've been doing. Trying to get this done, and about all we like is doing the transitions and the trim work. We got to do some quarter round around the bottom, stuff like that. Finish all this out. It's going to be just fine. Fine and dandly, as This and That Garage says. Fine and dandly. So, pretty tickled with this. Pretty tickled. Liking it. Liking it. This is the, what's the brand of it? Style brand. Let's see, these are empty box. That's not empty. That one's empty. Let's see here. We got it at Lowe's. It was one of the more inexpensive brands. It's the Style Selections, 4.4 mil, water, vinyl, all that stuff. Tawny Oak is the color, design, and that's what we got. It's 100% waterproof. It is, it says pad attached, but we put a pad under it anyway. That right there. So, anyway, we've got a little bit of this left over. We'll put that somewhere for now. But that extra pad under here makes this floor feel softer. So, it has a rubber. This stuff has a rubber backing on it, and I think we gave $1.73 a square foot for this. And you got to be real careful with it because the edges will break real easy. But that's your part number for this flooring. I think it's $1.73 a square foot. That's what we paid for it. Anyway, this and that stuff looks like insulation, but it's a floor padding. All of this together was a little over $500. So, pretty tickled with it. I told brother-in-law and sister we was going to take them out to Texas Roadhouse and feed them a big steak. They wouldn't take money, so we said, well, we're going to feed you anyway. So, it's a blessing to have this down. So, I will be getting on the trim here pretty soon, but trying to get all of that figured out. Like I say, I still got to finish this out. A little bit of sheetrock work right there. Just that old towel's been up there a good long while, as you can see. That means I got to finish it. But now I think we'll be able to. Just wanted to show you what I got done. I said I was going to do it, and I've said I was going to do it for 2 or 3, 4 years, something like that. But I got it done. Look at this. Looky there. No more towel hanging. I got it done. It didn't take me no time. Knock it out. So now I gotta finish this wall out, do my mud work, and then it'll be ready for paint. Yep. Then we'll figure out what we're gonna do with these walls here. They look nice. Don't get me wrong. But I think we're gonna make a change. Anyway, we are gonna close this segment out, and I'll see you next time down the road here on Russell and Kim's Family Adventures. We'll see you later.